Hello, you're looking at a 1992 Ford E450 passenger van that has a 7.3 diesel engine. Runs great, has some cosmetic issues, and the AC is not blowing cold. It blows, it just doesn't blow cold. Starts right up. Runs well. The 7.3 is the engine that everybody likes. It was a great engine, ran through 2002, and they never should have stopped using that engine because they're having the trouble with all the newer ones. And these are great engines. They're known to run 300,000 and 400,000 no problem. So 123,000 here is not a big deal. The air blows hot, so it needs a service. The heat works. Radio does not come on unless there's another button I'm not hitting. But the radio does not work. Has rear AC also. That blows. Has an idler. That works. Has a switch to turn the lights on and off. And rear heat in the back. .3 diesel, sounds good. This truck belonged to a local private school. They use it for sporting events. This bus has 4 very good tires. The running gear and brakes and all are in good shape. Front end's in good shape. A friend of mine maintained them. But has some dents, has some rust. Frame and all is in good shape. Underneath is not bad. Mainly cosmetic problems here. Has some rust holes in the rocker panel there. Inside, it looks like we seat 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10 passenger. Has some holes in the top. I'm sure the kids did that. And back here, some of the insulation was pulled out. It's not because it's leaking, just the insulation was pulled out by the kids. Some of the seats have some tears in them. So if you're looking for a cheap shuttle, or even to adjust the motor, this vehicle would be for you. Please do not bid unless you're able to finish the transaction. You'll need $250 at the end of the auction as a deposit, and then the balance is due within 7 days. Now you don't have to pick it up for 30 days, but the balance is due within 7 days. Fix some cosmetics on this, you'll have a good engine. I'm going to put my license tag on. Now we're located in Bel Air, Maryland, which is about 20 miles north of Baltimore. We're right off of I-95 for easy access. When the buyer comes to pick this up, you'll get a clear title, bill of sale, and a temporary license tag, good for 60 days. See how that closes. To drive it around on, drive it home, drive it around once you get home. You can see all the gauges are good, not running hot or anything. Maybe a little low on power steering fluid. I'm going to check that when I get back. This is an as-is sale because of the year and the and the condition. I mean, it does run well though. Fix a couple little things on this and you'll get a cheap shuttle bus. Engine runs strong, sounds strong too. Plenty of power. Sort of bangs a little bit between first and second, but goes fine. There's 55 miles an hour. Pretty good. Should drive you home most anywhere you want to go. So approximately, I'm going to put some fuel in it here, but approximately 10-person bus, runs well, good looking tires, good brakes and front end, seats torn, some rust, and needed some cosmetics. So if you've been looking for something like this, you'll get a great buy. It is priced to sell. So buy this Ford bus.